Yeah. Yeah.
Thursday morning car wash, Campbell. You excited? Oh no, the screen's blank. I think it's glitching, kiddo. I wonder if it's like working behind the scenes and it's just the screen that's not working? Question mark? Because if you look in here, you got those blue lights that are looking oh so ready to serve. So what's your deal, LCD screen? We'll know if the green enter light turns on, Campbell. What do you think? What are our chances here, buddy? Oh, the accepted light turned off. That's never a good sign. Let's approach. It's not looking good. Are you a gambling man, Campbell? Let's go through the car wash with the windows down for the first time ever. And if it turns on, well, c'est la vie. It's been nice knowing this van. This is actually really suspenseful. This thing could come to life at any second. It's telling us to back up, but I don't trust it. Let's try. But you had best believe that my fingers are on the window buttons. Okay, what's gonna happen? It says we're in position, but it's not doing anything. Keeping the windows down and proceeding with caution. You think the dryers will turn on, Campbell, and blow all of the unattached stuff inside the car out the window? I don't think they're going to turn on. The timer isn't running. It's not working, Campbell. Whew, we made it. We survived, Campbell. What do you think about that? Was that cool? You want to go do something else?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.